I'm here to join Tracy's collab, and I'm late. I really appreciate everybody's comments and prayers, and you all were so kind, and thank you so much. Let's get on with this collab, okay? Zoe was looking up pink, and I decided I would help her, but she wants to be part of the collab also. So I tried to show her a few things like this, as we've all seen her in before, and her little blanket that has some pink on it. No? Okay. No, not pink. Oh, look at this one. Zoe, isn't this one pretty? No, look at here. Here. Look here. Look here. This one. No, still nothing. Okay, let's see. What you got there? What you got there, Zoe? Can I look? Oh, yes, this could be considered pink. I know which one I'm going to put on you for this pink. Oh, yes. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Zoe, you still searching? Watch out, baby. I don't want to hurt you. Okay. Yeah, Zoe has more clothes than me. Okay, so today we're going to start off with a simple mason jar lid. And what I did is I printed out, I'll kind of show it to you. I hope it shows better, but anyway. Here it is. And I took this piece here, traced it, had somebody cut it for me. Okay, so I finished putting all the gems around. I did the light pink on the top and the dark pink on the bottom. Now what I want to do is I want to take the cover of the mason jar and I want to glue it in there. But what I want is, because this has an indent, I'm going to put the other side like this. It's going to look like this, okay? So we're just going to glue that in. And we're just going to pop that in this way. Press it down for a few seconds. Okay, so while this is drying, setting, I'm just going to set it aside and continue on this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to add little embellishments, of course. So here I found Minnie Mouses, and they were actually buttons, and I cut off the back. So I'm going to do is I am going to glue the Minnie Mouse right there next to the doggy. This is actually a brad that I found. Gosh. So there we go. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take we're going to take Minnie and we're going to stick her in there. I'm just going to use a little bit of my glue gun just on the edge. There we go. Okay, Minnie, you go right in your little house. Now what we're going to do is we're going to try to put a little window on it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a piece out a little bigger than the round. So this obviously doesn't have to be perfect. Look, just like that. And then I'm going to take her, I'm going to peel back a piece of this vinyl. Now the fact that this vinyl doesn't tear, it's waterproof, and you can even print with it is pretty cool if you ask me. And if you don't have a Cricut machine or a Brother machine, then I guess this is the next best thing. So what I want to do, don't press down in the middle. Press on the side, making sure it's as flat as possible. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we want to cut a little bigger Of course it's all going to be crooked, but this doesn't matter at this point.
Some is going to be wider than other parts, but it doesn't matter. You'll see what I mean. Trying to cut as close, but not too close, then I'm going to ruin it. There we go. A little bigger. Of course, it's all going to be crooked, but this doesn't matter at this point.
So all we're doing is just gluing the tabs to the cover. Hi guys, well, looks like we're pretty well at the end of another video, and I have to say thanks, Tracy, for giving us a chance and having the time to do this. Again, I'm sorry I'm late, but we had a lot of fun. And Zoe, we had a lot of fun, right? I guess we'll see you the next time. So thank you, love you all, and we'll see you soon. Okay? Stay safe. We're almost at the end. Okay, so let's put the gloves on. God dang it, nothing's working again for me. Ah, I swear to God I'm losing it. What the heck did I just do with the other one? Okay, like seriously, what did I do with it? Oh, this is so not funny. Okay, and so now this is what we have. This is what we have. No, we don't have that yet. So, if you can see that, I don't know if you can see that. Gosh, I hope you can see that, but it's pretty far away from the cover here. I'm touching the edge. Again, I don't know if you can see that. I hope so. You are so not going to have a choice but to stick. Trust me, man. Well, you better stick.